Hey, what's going on, guys? This is TerrenceRe, and we are live with the market. So I wanted to do something instead of doing the weekend stock market update. I said I'd come on and do a live one. I had a feeling we was gonna get a nice up move this morning. Just doing some analysis over the weekend. And so right now, if you take a look at take a look at my watch list, you'll see the S&P 500 futures are up about 0.5%. See about 27 handles. Nasdaq futures are up about 96 handles. That's about 0.5%. Dow futures are up a little over 0.5%, and the Russell futures are up 2%. One of my things is I look at the Russell. That's your small caps. If we see the small caps moving, that generally is going to wag the whole market, right? Not all the time, but most of the time. And with me seeing the Russell up like this, as long as the Russell stays up and it's up like 2%, the market should stay up today. So with that being said, if you've been following the channel, PayPal is one of the ones that I have been uh, looking at for the past few weeks. I like the chart setup. I'm gonna remove these indicators and then we'll get right to it. Why? We break down, if we go look at let's look at this on a yearly. You can see, let's look at this over the last 2 years. You kind of see how it's just been drifting down. And then you get all the way over here and you get like a little trough. So we get something like, this would be like a shoulder. See your right here. Then you got your head. And then right here is your neckline, right? So we got a breakout right here on Friday. Look at this big green candle. And it gapped up today. And it gapped up today. And you can see it pulling back a little bit like it's going to close the gap. But you can see right here, look at this big gap from August from last summer, this gap down. So, I'm banking on PayPal closing this gap right here. I got a couple trades on right now. I sold go to the option chain. I got a put spread on right here where I sold the 62 and a half, bought the 60. So real cheapy. Not a whole lot of risk there. And then this morning, on when it pulled back, on the pullback, I bought the 70 call right here with 4 days. And you can see I'm right here. Now on the TastyTrade option chain, you can see right here this little orange ruler light. That's showing you the expected move on the option chain for the week. And you can see 70 is right there on the edge. Also, 70 coincides with the next level on my Fibonacci extension right up here, 70.57. So I said, well, little confluence of indication. I'll buy this call right here. If I hit this call, if we get this move, maybe within, if it don't do it today, if it do it within maybe, I say by Wednesday, I'll probably double up on this call. I think I paid about, let's take a look. I paid 112 for it. So right now I'm down about 19 bucks on it. Um, and you can see in the money call is trading for like 220, 226. And so as the market moves around, that amount will go up. So I'm looking at about a one and a half, make one, I may even double up on it. It'll probably rake in about 250 or something like that if I hit it. And I'm prepared to take, 100% loss on it. It's a shot. Nice little scoopy. We'll see if we can get it. Let's take a look at some other things. One of the reasons why I wanted to go live around this time on the TastyTrade hourly top equities, that updates and they show that for the first time at 10 o'clock. So that shows you all the most basically top equities being traded running through the platform on the day. And I want to go through those. I want to take a look at NVIDIA. You can see I already got NVIDIA charted up. Look right here. You can see this little pennant, a little triangle right here. Um, what I do, I'm gonna take off these retracements so then that way you guys can see it. See it right there now. So I had been watching the video, broke out of this range right here, took off. I still got a level of Nvidia going up to around 636. Now this particular, I think I was looking at a monthly when I put that target on. Look at that on the monthly. Look what Nvidia has been doing. Got one green candle. This was a red candle, but look at it still made for the month. It made a higher high right here. Here's the wick. Here another one, another one, another one. So monthly highs. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 10 in a row. Once I get around 9, 8 or 9, I start looking for reversals. So look, right after 10, you got 2 down, then it started again, right? Got a little bull flag right here. This would be considered a bull flag. And these are prevalent all throughout the market. And so you see, when you got this big green candle here, this is this month. And so that my next target is right up here. So Nvidia is holding true to form. If you see it, now, if we look at, let's see if it more than likely, you see it on RSI, it is at 80, so it is overbought. I still wouldn't step in front of this and short it, right? I just, if you're not already in it, I don't know if I would get in it right here, but if I owned it, I probably would still be holding it or starting beginning to sell calls or maybe take a little profit. Take a look at Disney. Disney. Now, this is sweet. This is my first time looking at Disney today. You can see I already got a pennant on it, breaking up out of it. I could see Disney taking this high out right here. Let's see when Disney got earnings. Disney has earnings on February 7th. Um, so that's what 16 days from now. So anything you do in Disney, I wouldn't I don't think you want to be in it through earnings. If you came out here, this will put you in earnings. If you took a trade in February, honestly, if you were gonna sell some premium, you may have wanted to already have been in it. Some of these you gotta sell it while it's going down. Sell the put, breaking out here. Might could do a cover call, buy some shares, sell a call against it. Let's take a look at Adobe. That's a nice setup. This a nice setup. It's filling this gap right here. As you can see right here, we got a little bull flag. Got a bull flag in Adobe on the daily. Let's draw that out. All right here. See that little box? Little box breaking out of this consolidation of these indicators. All right. You want to see how? Let's see how far it can go. Breaking out of this little box right here. I don't need to make it too big. So right here, breaking out of it. Let's see if it'll hold. Take these highs out. Probably gonna see this on a lot of these charts. Carvana hit support right here. Y'all watching me do this. This is how I do my analysis. I can right here. That's your support. Is it gonna get up here? Probably gonna hit some resistance right here at this gap right here. Got another gap ahead, and Carvana right here. And it gapped up today. So coming out from a oversold on the stochastic on the daily, Carvana might make a run at these highs up here. Probably get up here, maybe get a little chop, little pullback, then take off again. Baba, I stay away from Chinese stocks. They getting killed right now. The Chinese stock market is taking a hit. They got a lot going on over there. And I stay away from it unless you just, I don't know, you've been doing research on it. You're gonna buy it and hold it. Let's look at it for the the last year. Look at that. That's a ugly. That's ugly. That's nasty work. You don't need. That's nasty work. You don't. I don't see nothing good about that. Let's see. Weekly. Mm-mm. But it's on this list, so people are trading it. I don't know what they're doing, losing money unless you selling premium. Got a 50 IV rank. Come out here and sell a strangle non-directional trade. Sell the 22 delta. This 18 got a 70% pop. Taking in 162. Eh, you could do something like that. Neutral trade, non-directional, delta neutral. Let's look at the firm. Oh man, I like this. It's a nice trade. Now this is a weekly chart. That's nasty work. Y'all see this? Now I'm just running through these live, right? No, I have not been looking at this, so I'm seeing it now, and I like what I see. Here you go. See this box? See that box? See that doji? One, two, three. Get a gap up. Just a weekly. All you want to see is it take this high out right here. Now it can some people will get in this right now, right? Get in it early, anticipating the break here. But if you don't get that break and then it trickle down, you know, you're losing the trade. However, you get in early, you make more money. I don't know the trade, and this is a weekly chart, so let's look at it. Let's look at it on the daily. You look at it on the daily, you got like, ooh wee, it's a good trade. Look, I like that. I like that. You're right here. You got it come pulling up out of here. Let's look at the squeeze. It's not a bad trade. Um, so you got earnings coming up. You gonna be in this in earnings. I don't know. This might be one I might look at scalping. I'm gonna watch this a little later. I come back to this off air. Let's take a look at Mara. Got Mara. Stay away from it. I don't like Mara at all. Yeah, I don't like Mara. You can do something like a delta neutral trade. Maybe come on. Uh, I will come out maybe February. Sell a strangle. Sell the expected move. So like a lot of times, a lot of traders think you got to be bullish or bearish. No, not necessarily. Strangles a delta neutral. Come right here. Just want to see the market stay in between here. You can do something like if you don't have enough, and that don't even take a lot of buying power. It's only 620 margin, taking in 150 credit. That's that's nice. You getting a little bit of squeeze there. I like selling the 12 and the 20. I don't like the half strikes. And that will put you, if you're looking at that, let's go to the daily, 6 month. That's gonna put you what I sold the 20 and the 12. So that means you got right here. You selling the call here, and you selling this 12 here. So you just want the market to stay in between and then lose. Um, the only thing about it is when is earnings. Also, no earnings. There's no earnings. Let me see. No earnings coming up. So you don't have to deal with earnings. Marathon Digital. Now, one of the things I think this got something to do with this might have something to do with crypto. But only thing with those, they can take off. Like you see this big red candle, you can get a nice move in here and blow you out of your trade. So you gotta be careful. Um, but the platform does a great job of it's only margining you 627. at these strikes. So it's saying it's kind of giving you an example of what they think the risk is. It's a cheap stock, 16 bucks. Even if it, just gotta be careful. If you want to put some wings on it, buy the 25, um, buy the 7. Now you got a wing on it, but you ain't taking in as much credit. You move the wing out, but now you're gonna take in less credit. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. I just do this naked if I was gonna do it. I'll be watching this one. Come back to it. Let's go to in phase. I've been talking about in phase for the past few weeks. I actually own a call in another account on in phase, and it has lost damn near all of its value. But I'm way out here in March, and I think I own like this 150 right here. It's just taking a beating, but I'm gonna hold it because this move, if I get the move, I can make the money back. But I'll take the 100% loss on it if I don't get it. You can see right here. Let's take off the indicators. We can see. You can see the trend line. What I was looking at. Let's go 2 years. There you go. See that? See that little channel? Trade now. Now it broke out of the channel. And you know me, I'm thinking it's gonna keep running, pull back a little bit. But maybe it found support right here at one of these fib levels. So let's see what happens. If you found support here, it's gonna continue to march up. Palantir. And here was the beginning of the move right here. See, that's why I like these bull flags. That go one started the move, right? It was your big move. Now you got your chop. Got a nice gap right here. Is this the beginning of something? It's possible. So we gotta just I still don't think I like to see a little bit something more right here. I would like to see a bull flag here. Let's go to coin. See, I got levels on coin, and you see right here, man, these levels is cold. You see right here, it hit this 100. Look at this, just wicked up. So this could be support level. It might be a decent level to get back in coin. Got earnings though. Let's see, earnings on February 20th. Anything I did in coin, if it's option, it got to be before earnings. Shares really don't. I don't really, if you're buying shares, it don't really matter in my opinion. Buy the shares, sell the call against it. That's the play, in my opinion. If you want to do shares, man, I hit this trade and I posted the chart to this trade on my Twitter page. So guys, follow me on Twitter because I be posting charts. I think I still got it on here. I don't got. I took the levels off, but I seen it right here. Boom, gapped up. So I think I traded this like last. Like I can show. Let's see. Let's go to overview. Let's go to chains. You can see it right here. So I made like 110 on this trade, and it was like I don't know, maybe like 5 or 10 minutes. I bought a call. It jumped up. I said, man, let me take my $110 and move. Like a little scalp. And you can see right here, I bought it at 10:10 on January 8th and got out on in 27 minutes later. But that was on January 8th. I want you guys to look at what happened on January 8th. I was so mad at myself. So I got in here. Just think about what the hell that called. Look what it did. Just that day, it went up to here. I was like, I wasn't gonna hold it the whole. I was like, I take that. Hit here, boom. But then it pulled back, and then look at this gap and took off all the way to here. Oh man, I was real mad, but it wasn't a loss. I just didn't make what I could have made. Tesla, Tesla might be maybe it found some support right down here at this fib level. See right here, oversold on the stochastic, oversold on the RSI. Uh, Not a bad place to put something on. Got earnings this week. I put an earnings trade on in Tesla just to see if I did anything. It'd be something like a long butterfly for the week. Something like this. Uh, Make it about five $5 wide by that call right there. That call butterfly. See if it pop up around 225. That'll put it where? Right up here by Friday. Gotta pay about $40 for it. If I was gonna do anything, it'd be something like that. You can make it wider, 7.5 wide, pay $95. If you go lower, you lose all of it though. Do a call spread here with it on the lows, thinking that it's gonna pop up. Pay 250 for it. If you get the move and it breaks out of here, or a lot of different things you can do here. Come here, maybe go out 35 days, sell the 195, buy the 190. Move a little closer if you want more credit. Sell the 200, buy the 195. It's not a bad trade. PayPal, what's it doing? See, it done came down. I ain't mad at it though. See, it gapped up and it came down and closed the gap on the day. I was looking at it too because I seen the divergence on the hourly, but I was like, see right here, got divergence down here, high. So that's cool. We'll see what happens. I got 4 days on that call. I'm not worried about the put that I sold, the put option. I mean the put spread. We'll see it come down into here. It'll probably come down into here on the stochastic, to be right around in this level. I'm guessing somewhere around in here, and then we'll see what happened the rest of the week. I'm holding that call though. Apple. Let's see. Look at Apple. Apple making a move. Man, Apple making a move. I didn't even see that. Up almost $4 on the day. Let me look at the got earnings February 1st. It only got two more dollars on the expected move for the week though. So it may be about to gas out somewhere right around in here. I wouldn't get in if you ain't already in. Nah, if you scalp. Now if you're looking for like long term, Apple might be the play, but TQQQ, I don't trade that. I don't trade no um leverage products. So I don't even look at them. I was taught not to trade them, so I don't. Google, excuse me, you can see I already got the trend lines here. Anytime you see a candlestick like this, look at that, like a hammer, beating the market up. Nice move. Let's go take a look at TLT bonds. Bonds been had a nice up move here. Now we got a little pullback. Bonds doesn't move a whole lot. Yeah, got a low IV rank. Ain't a whole lot to do in here, in my opinion. Sit back, buy 'em, hold them, collect the dividend. Meta, now the TLT do pay a dividend every month. Pays a monthly dividend. Meta, same thing, kind of look like Google. Came back, retested trend line, took off again. It's a beast. I wouldn't get in right here though. SMH, Semiconductors ETF, nice up move. Is it overbought? RSI say it's overbought. Stochastic. Now be careful getting into it right here because I think you got SMH. I think AMD is in that. AMD, look at it. So semiconductors I watch. Boeing. Now Boeing right now, is down, right? If you've been watching me, I like Boeing long term. I'm gonna show you. You got a bull flag on the monthly just before that bad news came out. Look at that monthly. Look at that flag right there. One, two, three. Big candle. Big candle. That's a bull flag on the monthly. So we'll see what it do. Might have to get out of this month. May have to take a look at it in February. We'll see what the candles look like. Amazon. It's a monthly candle. Look at it. I got Amazon going to take these highs out at 186. Now that's a monthly candle, so long term look good. Netflix, same thing. Look at it on daily, hitting some chop. 65 IB rank. When is earnings? Ooh, got earnings tomorrow. So no go. Anything can happen. Microsoft break out when it got earnings. You see it broke out of this squeeze right here. See these red dots down here on the squeeze pro? See it? Broke out of that box, took off. I probably wouldn't do anything on it today. Got earnings in a week. Intel, did I look at Intel now? On the daily, I don't really like this. Boy, crossover and stochastic. Probably gonna hidden resistance right here at this gap. So, the better plays, like if you're already in something, you might can ride them. I don't see anything. I like my PayPal play, so I'm gonna hold on to that. Apple look like it's moving today. If you're already in it, I like this play. I like Adobe. I like Adobe. I kind of would like. I like the fact that it's pulling back. May give you a better entry to take off. I like Disney. I like this setup to take these highs out right here. But so hopefully you got something out of this. Hit the like button, please. And I'll do more live things. Right now, like I said, I'm holding PayPal. Um, and we're gonna see what it look like, what it do for the rest of the day. Possibly tomorrow. I gotta go into one to it hitting up here to 70. And I am gonna start working on doing some charts for crypto. I don't want to keep these too long, so I got some little coins because we are in the in my opinion in the infant stage of a bull run in crypto. I'll pull up the Bitcoin real quick. I like look at it on the weekly and the monthly. You can see right here, it's how breaking out of these levels, and it just got a little slight pullback here. So it's right here at this level right here. Once it breaks 48,000, you got another level up here at 52.5. Then after that, it's going to all-time highs. That's what I think anyway. So I am starting to accumulate different cryptos and just holding them in a wallet. I ain't really day trading or anything like that. But if you want some exposure to cryptocurrency, you can always play coin. Look at coin. Chart looks similar, don't it? And coin is right here on the daily at a support level. Right here. Same. So, um, we could look at and the dollar had made a big down move. So we had the dollar going down. You even got like a little head and shoulder. Head, your shoulder. Let's see what happened. I think the dollar is gonna continue to go down. Dollar continue to go down, get more selling pressure. Stocks will continue to go higher. Equities go higher. Bitcoin go higher. Gold go higher. See, so we'll see. But hey, guys, I'm gonna get ready to go outside, get this workout in. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what charts you looking at. Let me know what stocks on your radar. And with that, I'm gonna be out. Peace. What up, man? I see I got a comment in there. Appreciate you watching the show. I'm gonna learn how to there you go. Appreciate you watching the show. I'm gonna start doing this on a regular basis, going over stuff. So check in. I may do something tomorrow around the same time, going over some stocks. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.